Good morning. Several teachers have asked about a way that we could use Elluminate for testing but lock the kids down where they can't go to any additional browsers. I'm going to show you that. That is actually in a separate video. I have an explanation of how the kids access that. What I'm showing you right now is how you create the test so that you can use the feature that locks down the browser. So I'm going to start with a sample of a flexible assessment. I'm going to create an assessment. Remember that flexible assessments allow you to upload something that's already been created. So I'm going to call this MDI sample, and I've saved it. It's a sample test that I created a few minutes ago. I'm going to upload the material. The material can be uploaded from your drive or from like a thumb drive or wherever you have it saved. Mine's in my drive, so I'm going to click the account from which I want to choose. Here is my sample assessment. It's in the middle of uploading it. You can tell from right here. And then I have a success message, so I know it was uploaded. Plus there's a 1 right here now. So I know the test has been uploaded. My sample only had 3 questions. I'm going to click the lightning bolt, which lets me do multiple answers at one time and not just one at a time. So my test has 3 questions. I'm going to put in a 3. Number 1 and number 3 are multiple choice. It doesn't matter what the answers are. Number 2 was open-ended, so I'm going to pick constructed response. I think I said on my sample that it was worth 4 points, so I'm going to change it to 4 points. And at this point, you would add your standards as well, but mine were made-up questions, so there are no standards. It is saved. It saves automatically, and I'm going to click Done. At that point, I'm going to click Administer and Online Testing. The first thing I want to do is show you guys just as a reminder of how you can preview it and what it looks like when it comes up in Elluminate. So I'm going to click Preview and Preview, and what's going to happen is on the left hand side of the screen, after you click Begin Test, the test that you uploaded comes up. You can increase the font or decrease the font, and the way the kids answer is over here on the right. So in what year were you born, and they click, and here's my open-ended, so they would answer over here, and then they can scroll down and answer number 3. And so that's my sample. I'm going to click Finish Test and Finish. That was just a preview. I'm returning, but what I wanted to show you is you have to click Test with a quick code right here if you want to make the test where students are in a lockdown browser where they can't go anywhere else but to the test. So I'm going to put Test with a quick code, and automatically a code is created, an access code, and this will be provided to the students, and rather than logging into Elluminate, they will just turn on their Chromebook, not log in at all, and they will go to their apps and click on Elluminate, and you will provide them with this access code. And that's the way that they will get in now. So that is a separate video. I will share both of these at the same time. This video explains how to set the test up with a quick code, and then Clint's video shows the kids how to access once there is a quick code. And I will send those out in an email. Thank you.